reflection of you. Pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Let me down, I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. I'm practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. Let all the things you mean to me come tumbling out my mouth. Indeed, it's time telling you why. You say it's infinitely true.